Making shirt placket is very simple. Notch the small placket folded in half. Align with the garment opening, and sew a hidden stitch this specific. Small placket is designed to wrap entirely around the sleeve edge. Now flip it to the front side. Wrap it over carefully and remember to snip the bottom slightly. To prevent any potential twisting, ensure no gaps on the backside. Once wrapped, attach the large packet. Flip the large sleeve piece and insert it into the top of the placket. Now wrap the large sleeve piece up. Go ahead and stitch across just like this, making sure you go right over the hidden seam we made earlier. Then carefully tuck the raw edge in and give it a final top stitch. Keep the raw edges completely hidden while stitching. Ensure no gaps appear at the bottom. And carefully wrap the whole embroidery piece. Since you have watched the process this far already, could you please give me a like with your lucky hands? To show some support, thank you. Wishing you great health and much success in this new year. Isn't the whole process actually quite simple?